Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty and passing a good time with your parents. I am also fine. I congratulate you on behalf of Borisal Online School. Dear students, let's introduce myself. I am Poppy Mondal, head teacher, Kobirajbari Golf Primary School, Nazirpur, Priyospur. I have come to you, the student of class 5, to teach you English subject. I also want to request you that in the critical condition of coronavirus, you should stay at home, wash your hands with soap and water for cleaning for 20 seconds again and again. Drink a lot of waters, eat vegetables and fruits, follow the rules of health. Dear students, before going to start our class, I would like to sing a song. Would you like to join with me? Yes. Fine, let's start.
This is how we sit on a seat, sit on a seat, sit on a seat. This is how we sit on a seat every day. This is how we eat our beans, eat our beans, eat our beans. This is how we eat our beans every day. This is how we throw pill in the bin, throw pill in the bin, throw pill in the bin. This is how we throw pill in the bin every day. This is how we swim in the sea, swim in the sea, swim in the sea. This is how we swim in the sea every day. This is how we clean our teeth, clean our teeth, clean our teeth. This is how we clean our teeth every day.
Thank you, dear students. I hope you enjoyed the song very much. Friends, now we are going to our today's topics. Dear students, previous day, what we have learned? Can you remember? You have learned 501 to 1000 and 1 to 100 numbers in words. Now I ask you some questions. Dear students, open your exercise book. Open your exercise book. I write down 505, 555 and 1000. You write down in a word. You write down in a word. Dear students, you write down this number in a word. Have you finished? I hope you have finished. 5 F IVE 500, SUNDRED 500 and 55, FIFTY 55. Dear students, 1000, 1000, THOUSAND, 1000. Thank you very much, dear students. Now we are going to our today's class. Let's enjoy a wonderful presentation. Dear students, welcome. Dear students, what time does the clock show? Look at the picture and what time does the clock show? Okay, dear students, it's 9 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 o'clock. Dear students, can you guess our today's topics? Our today's topics is telling the time. Dear students, open your English book, page at 50 and look at the picture, think alone. What do you see in the first picture? What do you see in the first picture? And what time does the clock indicates? Dear students, what are the people doing in the picture? What are the people doing in the picture, dear students? Okay, a boy is saying his prayers and some students are going home from school. Do you see anything more in the picture? Dear students, do you see anything more in the picture? Okay, we see a school building in the picture. Students, now I will ask you some questions. Usually, when do students get up? Usually, when do students get up? Okay, you are right. Usually, students get up at 6 o'clock. My next question is, at what time students come to school and leave school? The students come to school at 9 o'clock and leave school at 4 o'clock. Dear students, let's recite a poem with audio.
tick tock, it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Wash yourself and pray. Tick tock, look at the clock. Tick tock, it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Take your bag and go to school. Tick tock, look at the clock. Tick tock, it's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Now it's time to go back home. Tick tock, look at the clock.
Dear students, open your book, page at 50, and listen, read and say. Listen, read and say again. Put your finger under the lines and recite with me. Tick tock, it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Wash yourself and pray. Tick tock, look at the clock. Tick tock, it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Take your bag and go to school. Tick tock, look at the clock. Tick tock, it's 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Now it's time to go back home. Tick tock, look at the clock. Dear students, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Look at me. What do you see in my hand? Thank you. It's a clock. What time does the clock indicate? Dear students, tell me. What time does the clock? Okay, you are correct. It's 9 o'clock. What time does the clock indicate? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 o'clock. Students, look at the clock. What time does the clock indicate? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Dear students, this watch has 2 hands. One is long hand. It indicates minutes. And short hand indicates hour. And the clock has 12 number. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. When minutes hand moves one number to another number, such as 1 to 2, it is 5 minutes. It is 5 minutes. When minute hands move one number to another, it indicates 1 hour. It indicates 1 hour. Such as 1 to 2, 1 hour. Okay, dear students. Students, let's introduce some new words. Midnight. Midnight means 12 o'clock at night. Bengali meaning মধ্যরাত্রি. Breakfast. Breakfast means a meal eaten in the morning. Bengali meaning সকালের নাস্তা. Fair work means work that is done by two people. Work that is done by two people. Bengali meaning জোড়ায় কাজ. Activity means a thing that a person or group. Dear students, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? It's midnight. It's 12 o'clock. And they are sleeping. They are sleeping. They are sleeping. It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. They are having breakfast. Dear students, let's see some another picture. What do you see in the picture? It's 1 o'clock. They are at school. It's 6 o'clock. They are helping their father. Look at the clock. Dear students, open your book, page at 51. Look in activity B. What are you doing at those time? What are you doing at those time? Example, at midnight I am sleeping. At midnight I am sleeping. At 8 o'clock I am having breakfast. At 1 o'clock I am at school. At 6 o'clock I am playing. Dear students, look at the clock. This is minute hand. This is our hand. The long hand indicates minutes and the short hand indicates hour. When the minute indicating hands moves from one number to another, such as 1 to 2, it indicates 5 minutes. When the hour hands indicating moves one number to another, it indicates 1 hour. 60 seconds 1 minute, 60 minutes 1 hour, 24 hours 1 day. You know, dear students, you know. Dear students, look at the picture. Look at the picture. It's moon. Moon in the sky. Moon in the sky. Moon in the sky. Midnight. Midnight. It's noon. It's noon. 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock midday are AM times. Dear students, remember it. And 12 o'clock midday to 12 o'clock midnight are PM times. PM times. Can you tell the difference between these two fixtures? Yes, it's 12 noon. It's midnight. So from 12 noon till 12 midnight we say PM. We say PM. From 12 midnight till 12 noon we say AM. Dear students, we are at school at 9 am, but we are at home at 9 pm. 9 pm, it is night. It's day at 2 pm, but it's night at 2 am. Dear students, now I will ask you some questions. My first question is, when do we usually have our breakfast? When do we usually have our breakfast? Okay, you are correct. We usually have our breakfast at 8 am. Next question, when do we usually have our lunch? We usually have our lunch at 1 pm. When do we usually have our dinner? We usually have our dinner at 9 pm. When do we usually study at home? We usually study at 7 pm. Dear students, say a time. You should say what you usually do at that time. It's 5 pm. What you usually do at that time? Okay, you are correct. I usually help my mother. It's 7 am. At 7 am, I usually get up in the morning. It's 8 am. At 8 am, I usually have my breakfast. It's 9 am. I usually stay in the school. It's 11 am. I usually stay in English class, my English class. Okay. It's 1 am. I usually have my lunch. It's 4 pm. I usually return home. It's 7 pm. I usually sit to study. It's 9 pm. I usually have dinner. It's 10 pm. I usually go to bed. Dear students, look and say, let's another way to tell the time. It's 10:15. Another way we can say it's 10:15. It's 10:15. It's 10:30. Another way we can say it's 10:30. It's 10:30. It's 10:45. Another way we can say it's 11:15. It's 11:15. Look and say, dear students, what time is it? It's 7:25. What time this clock? It's 6:30. What does the time indicates? It's 4:50. What time is by the clock? It's 9:10. Dear students, remember it past minutes gone after the hour. 2 minutes left to be the hour. Half an hour, 30 minutes, quarter, 15 minutes. You note down your exercise book. Have you finished? Okay. Now it's your homework. Dear students, write down your exercise book. Fill in the gaps using AM or PM time. You have to use AM or PM time. Rana is a student of class 5. He gets up at dash. You should fill up the blanks with AM or PM time. Then he washes himself. He takes his breakfast at dash. After breakfast, he starts for school. Dash. He returns from school at dash. Then he goes to field at dash to play with his friends. Dear students, write down. Fill in the gaps. Write down. You do it at your home. When the school is closed, you will see the tasks your English teacher, or you can inbox me. My phone number is 01760675237. Okay, dear students, now I am going to end of the class. Thank you, dear students. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye. I wish you a good day. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go away. Goodbye, goodbye. I wish you a good day. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.